Lovely day to watch some birds, isn't it? I'm sorry, how rude. Let me introduce myself. Nature Natalie Wallaby here. Patricia Wallaby's sister. I messed up a little there. I meant to say Patricia Wallaby's sister. Nature Natalie, Patricia Wallaby's sister. And today, for the second time, we're going to explore some nature. What's this? Some sand dunes. These are some sand dunes, only found in the Great African Plains. Now we can find some insects in here. Oh man, I love rolling around in the dirt. I love to just roll around in the dirt. I love just to roll around in the dirt. Oh. Being a nature girl means getting dirty. Getting down and dirty. This is the life of Nature Natalie. I wake up in the morning. I like to cook up some wood, eat some fresh termites. Just pluck one out. Delicious. Then I like to take a nice dip into my lake. Oh yeah. Like feel a little. Oh, my pants getting kind of wet. Let me go. I'm gonna go take a nap real fast. Oh yeah. That was a nice swim. That was a nice swim. Then I like to go to see some woods. Like to go to the wilderness plains. But the thing is, when I go here, the hunters, they think I'm a bear. So they try and kill me. Man down, man down, man down. Wanna wake up. Tell my mama that Nature Natalie loved her. I love dirt. I love dirt so much. Slap it off. Why can't I be normal like other kids? Why can't I be normal? Why can't I be normal? Why can't I be normal? I'm being watched. I'm being watched by my neighbors. I'm burping up some termites. Burping up some more termites. It's a bird. Oh! How long have you been there? Oh my god.